He rides a bicycle to work each day.
He rides a bicycle to work each day.
Her bicycle has a light and a bell.
Her bicycle has a light and a bell.
They live in a big house near here.
They live in a big house near here.
I saw a big dog at the park.
I saw a big dog at the park.
I locked my bike outside the store.
I lock my bike outside the store.
Her bike is new and very light.
Her bike is new and very light.
The waiter brought our bill after lunch.
The waiter brought our bill after lunch.
I paid the electricity bill this morning.
I paid the electricity bill this morning.
A small bird sits on the tree.
A small bird sits on the tree.
He feeds a bird every morning.
He feeds a bird every morning.
My birthday is in April, and I feel excited.
My birthday is in April, and I feel excited.
We will bake a cake for your birthday.
We will bake a cake for your birthday.
She wore a black jacket to school.
She wore a black jacket to school.
His hair is black and very short.
His hair is black and very short.
She writes a cooking blog for her friends.
She writes a cooking blog for her friends.
I read his travel blog every week.
I read his travel blog every week.
She has blonde hair and blue eyes.
She has blonde hair and blue eyes.
The blonde girl is in my class.
The blonde girl is in my class.
The sky is blue and very clear today.
The sky is blue and very clear today.
She wore a blue dress to school.
She wore a blue dress to school.
We took a small boat across the lake.
We took a small boat across the lake.
The boat is near the beach now.
The boat is near the beach now.
Exercise is good for your body.
Exercise is good for your body.
She hurt her body in a fall.
She hurt her body in a fall.
I read a book on the bus.
I read a book on the bus.
The book is on my desk at home.
The book is on my desk at home.
This boot is new and very warm.
This boot is new and very warm.
He lost a boot in the snow.
He lost a boot in the snow.
I am bored in this long class.
I am bored in this long class.
She felt bored during the slow movie.
She felt bored during the slow movie.
That book is boring, so I stopped reading.
That book is boring, so I stopped reading.
The class was boring for many students.
The class was boring for many students.
I was born in a small town.
I was born in a small town.
She was born on a cold day.
She was born on a cold day.
Both children are ready for school now.
Both children are ready for school now.
I like both tea and coffee.
I like both tea and coffee.
Please bring a bottle of water to class.
Please bring a bottle of water to class.
The bottle fell and broke on the floor.
The bottle fell and broke on the floor.
The box is full of old toys.
The box is full of old toys.
I put the shoes in a box.
I put the shoes in a box.
The boy runs fast in the park.
The boy runs fast in the park.
A boy is reading near the window.
A boy is reading near the window.
She went to the movie with her boyfriend.
She went to the movie with her boyfriend.
Her boyfriend works at the hospital.
Her boyfriend works at the hospital.
I bought fresh bread from the market.
I bought fresh bread from the market.
She eats bread with soup for lunch.
She eats bread with soup for lunch.
Please do not break the glass on the table.
Please do not break the glass on the table.
Let's take a short break after this math lesson.
Let's take a short break after this math lesson.
I eat breakfast at 7 with my family.
I eat breakfast at 7 with my family.
She makes breakfast with eggs, bread, and tea.
She makes breakfast with eggs, bread, and tea.
Please bring your book to class tomorrow morning.
Please bring your book to class tomorrow morning.
Can you bring water for the team?
Can you bring water for the team?
My brother plays football in the park after school.
My brother plays football in the park after school.
Her brother is taller than me and very kind.
Her brother is taller than me and very kind.
The dog is brown and has big ears.
The dog is brown and has big ears.
She wore a brown coat on the cold day.
She wore a brown coat on the cold day.
They planned to build a small house near the river.
They plan to build a small house near the river.
We will build a snowman after it starts snowing.
We will build a snowman after it starts snowing.
Our class meets in the main building near the gate.
Our class meets in the main building near the gate.
That tall building has many windows and a red door.
That tall building has many windows and a red door.
I go to school by bus every weekday morning.
I go to school by bus every weekday morning.
The bus arrives at 8, so please come early.
The bus arrives at 8, so please come early.
My mother runs a small business from our house.
My mother runs a small business from our house.
He opened a new business in the town center.
He opened a new business in the town center.
I am busy today, so I cannot play games.
I am busy today, so I cannot play games.
He is always busy at work on Mondays.
He is always busy at work on Mondays.
I want to go, but I have no money.
I want to go, but I have no money.
She is small, but she is very strong.
She is small, but she is very strong.
Please put some butter on the warm bread.
Please put some butter on the warm bread.
We need butter to bake the cake today.
We need butter to bake the cake today.
I want to buy a new blue shirt.
I want to buy a new blue shirt.
We will buy milk and bread after school.
We will buy milk and bread after school.
Please sit by the window and enjoy the view.
Please sit by the window and enjoy the view.
We live by the river in a quiet village.
We live by the river in a quiet village.
We waved and said bye before leaving the party.
We waved and said bye before leaving the party.
Say bye to your teacher and then go home.
Say bye to your teacher and then go home.
We met at a small cafe near the station.
We met at a small cafe near the station.
This cafe serves tea, coffee, and cakes.
This cafe serves tea, coffee, and cakes.
He baked a chocolate cake for my birthday.
He baked a chocolate cake for my birthday.
The cake smells sweet and looks very soft.
The cake smells sweet and looks very soft.
Please call me after class this afternoon.
Please call me after class this afternoon.
I will give you a call tonight.
I will give you a call tonight.
She bought a new camera for her trip.
She bought a new camera for her trip.
I use a camera to take family photos.
I use a camera to take family photos.
I can swim across the pool without stopping.
I can swim across the pool without stopping.
She can speak English and Spanish very well.
She can speak English and Spanish very well.
I cannot find my keys in this big bag.
I cannot find my keys in this big bag.
She cannot come today because she is sick.
She cannot come today because she is sick.
Paris is the capital of France in Europe.
Paris is the capital of France in Europe.
Write your name with a capital letter at the start.
Write your name with a capital letter at the start.
My father drives a car to work every day.
My father drives a car to work every day.
The car is red and very clean.
The car is red and very clean.
He paid with a card at the shop.
He paid with a card at the shop.
I wrote a birthday card for my friend.
I wrote a birthday card for my friend.
He wants a career in music when he grows up.
He wants a career in music when he grows up.
She is thinking about her future career today.
She is thinking about her future career today.
I ate a carrot with my lunch today.
I ate a carrot with my lunch today.
She bought a large carrot from the market.
She bought a large carrot from the market.
Please carry this box to the living room.
Please carry this box to the living room.
I can carry your bag up the stairs.
I can carry your bag up the stairs.
Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.